Good afternoon, Amanda. Today's your day off. You did not get a lot of sleep. You're seriously so tired. So we're getting a little bit of groceries because we're having a snowstorm. Might as well just get the groceries now so I can sleep and rest and do whatever I want. Because I guarantee you around 7 p.m. I'm going to have a whole bunch of energy and I'm going to want to do a lot of stuff. So let's just prepare ourselves for later. And let your light shine bright. I'm so excited. I got a pink pineapple. I think that's going to be the highlight of my day. And I never tried one before. It looks like it's ready to eat, so I'll show you guys. And my friend Rhonda is super excited to see it too. This is just a reminder to go out in the world and be your authentic self. I just connected with two weirdos and they were awesome. I'm a weirdo. I'm not making fun of them. I'm literally just, you know what I mean. I just had beautiful interactions with humans, and it's because I was my authentic self and they were their authentic selves, and I love when it just connects. And all I did was get groceries, so woohoo!